Birina was in a certain place, and suddenly Chico Watermelon appeared. And Chico Watermelon said, Birina, the coconut's dry, whoever doesn't peel it must eat it. And Birina said, Chico Watermelon, what do I have to do with a coconut? And Chico Watermelon said, I only know a thing, Birina. It's going to rain, and it's lacking firewood. And Birina said, and what do I have to do if it's going to rain and it's lacking firewood? So Chico Watermelon said, I am Chico Watermelon. And Birina said, by the way, my friend, you're a Chico Watermelon. Boom, 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 boom. And suddenly about that, a donkey appeared. Thinking Chico Watermelon was a watermelon, went into Chico Watermelon. Birina picked up stick. The donkey ran the hell away. And in this episode, a tractor driver appeared. The tractor driver asks Birina for a water cup. Birina gives the tractor driver a water cup. The tractor driver, after drinking, Birina asks, the water's good? The tractor driver answers, actually I drink a chocolate juice. At that moment, the tractor driver grew wings after that chocolate juice, and he flies with his tractor. Chico Watermelon didn't understood what has happened, and also Birina at the same time, and the episode proceeded. Birina asked to Chico Watermelon, time Watermelon, time Chico, what is your name? Chico said, Watermelon. And Chico, he said, Chico is just a nick. And I know the tractor driver disappeared at this immediate moment. And then no one ever saw. And Chico Watermelon asked for Birina. Birina, you like watermelon? Birina answered, yes, I like watermelons, but not Chico. And that's how the joke ended.